Hello friends. So today we are going to use UiPath Studio for Excel automation, and here specifically I am using C# language. The question is, in the given Excel sheet, double the salary of each employee using UiPath Studio with C# language. So let's have a look over the Excel sheet that we have. So we have this Excel sheet. Here we are provided some sample data. Likewise, we have a column of salary. So we are required to double the salary of each employee in the corresponding column. If salary 200, it should be 400, it should be 600, it should be 300, and so on. So we are going to complete this task using UiPath Studio and C# language. So if you are a .NET developer, it will be very easy for you to understand. So I have opened UiPath Studio over here, and I am going to take a new sequence. So let me take a new sequence. Let me rename double salary. Here I will go in activities, and I'm using the latest version of UiPath Studio, so we need to click over here and enable the classic, so classic. Then we are using Excel application scope, so you will find here Excel application scope, opens Excel workbook. So we have this. I am taking the path. So it is in C drive. So here is the path of Excel sheet that we have. Now what is required? We are required to read the entire Excel sheet. We are required to read the entire Excel sheet. For this, we will take read range activity. Read range activity. So it will read the entire Excel. So the sheet name is 1, sheet 1. So here the sheet is also sheet 1, and I'm going to take the entire Excel sheet over here. So on click this, I will create a data table. So I am creating a variable dt employee. This variable is created. So the data type is system.data.data table. So let me take this one. Okay. Now we are required to go from this C2 range to C9, this entire range. So what is required? We are required data row for the operation on each row. So here I will take data row. Before that, I will take for each, not data row, for each. For each row in data table. Okay. So we have this. We can rename is as item. And what is the source? Source is dt employee. Again, what we are required? We are required to double the salary of each employee. So what I will do, I will take assign activity. Assign activity, and here item. What is the column name in the Excel sheet? The column name in the Excel sheet is salary. Put here same. Column name is salary dot toString. Now we need to convert it into double dot foreach because this one is a string and we need to multiply by 2. That's it. Okay, so now it is done. Now when for each loop is over, we need to store this DT employee record again. So what we will take, write range activity, write range activity. So again we are taking sheet 2 so that a new copy sheet 2 will be created, and we are taking all the range DT employee. Okay, so this one is done. Let us save. I have kept open this Excel sheet. Now I am going to run and let's see the output. So here we could see new sheet 2 is created and the salary is just double. But I missed one thing, that is column name at this. So I will make a small change over here. I will select this one and select the add headers, save this one again and run. So here we can see column is added, the salary is just double. So our task is complete. Thanks for watching.